Hello friends and welcome to this video. Today in a quick video I will show with you how to use promo codes on Daraz. So as you can see here, go guys your browser and you open your Daraz account, and after you open your account click choose any item you want to purchase or something like this. After that guys, you see option called under here discount or payment option and called promo code. So guys, if you have promo code, you can use and tap this here promo code option. All you have to do simply enter your promo code as you can see here and confirm that, and complete your proceed checking and proceed buy product. So guys, this is how you can do is simply press the plus order and you will be able to use this promo code. So guys, I hope this video helpful for you. See you on another video soon. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to my channel for more content.